Meanwhile, South Sudan is reeling under the horrors of war, ethnic violence, rape, hunger and displacement. For civilians, the greatest danger is being cut off from health services. Here's more.
Chot is 2 years old. Just a couple of hours ago, he was convulsing from malaria. His parents made it just in time to this clinic in Udia, a remote village in northeastern South Sudan. The little boy has been sick for several days.
When I came to the clinic this morning, there was nobody here, so I went back home. When I returned, he was unconscious. He was shivering and convulsing at the same time.
Chot could be saved, but others are not as lucky. Horrific tales of war, rape and displacement have become commonplace in South Sudan. But for many, the greatest danger is often easily treatable diseases. According to the International Committee of the Red Cross, which runs this clinic, 70% of deaths due to illness could be easily avoided. This region of the Upper Nile is one of the worst affected.
Most of the children who die here, they die out of mostly 3 common morbidities, which is malaria, acute watery diarrhea, and respiratory tract infection, which progresses to pneumonia in the long run.
The Upper Nile region, which borders Sudan and Ethiopia, was ravaged by the war in 2017. South Sudan's infant and maternal mortality rate is among the highest in the world. Women do the lion's share of the work at home, often taking care of many children, and as a result often delay taking their children to the clinic.
It began with a stomach pain. All my children sleep together under one mosquito net. So if one falls ill, they all fall ill.
The clinic cannot deal with more complicated cases like operations or blood transfusions. The closest hospital is in Marban, which is a 3-day walk or a 5-hour drive away. But in Udia, there is only one car in all the village.
That's it from me on this newscast. Thanks for joining us here on WION. Bye-bye.